So in this problem, it's given that cosine of alpha plus cosine of beta plus cosine of gamma equals to 0. We need to show that cosine of 3 alpha plus cosine of 3 beta plus cosine of 3 gamma equals to 12 times the product cosine alpha, cosine beta and cosine gamma. Let us begin. So we'll start with our given condition. So here we have cosine of angle alpha plus cosine of angle beta plus cosine of angle gamma equals to 0. Now, if this is true, it also implies that cosine cubed alpha plus cosine cubed beta plus cosine cubed gamma, this must be equals to 3 times cosine of alpha times cosine of beta times cosine of gamma. So let this be number 2. Now, we'll start a problem from the left-hand side. So here we have cosine of 3 alpha added to cosine of 3 beta plus cosine of 3 gamma. Now, we know that there's a standard formula. If we have cosine of 3 theta, that's given by 4 times cosine cubed theta minus 3 cosine theta. Now what we'll do, we'll use this particular formula to rewrite cosine of 3 alpha. So that becomes 4 times cosine cubed alpha minus 3 cosine alpha. The second term will become 4 times cosine cubed beta minus 3 cosine beta. And the third term is going to become 4 cosine cubed gamma minus 3 cosine gamma. Fine. So we'll combine all the terms whose factors are 4. So we have 4 times cosine cubed gamma plus cosine cubed beta plus cosine cubed gamma. And then we'll combine the terms containing 3 as the common factor. So we'll take negative 3 as the common factor. That gets multiplied to cosine of alpha plus cosine of beta plus cosine of gamma. Now using relation 1 and 2, we have 4 times, so cosine cube alpha, cosine cube beta plus cosine cube gamma will be replaced with 3 times cosine alpha times cosine beta times cosine gamma minus 3 times the sum cosine alpha plus cosine beta plus cosine gamma. That's already given to us, that's 0, and this will be equals to 12 times cosine alpha times cosine beta times cosine gamma, which is the expression on the right hand side. Therefore, we have successfully showed that the left hand side is equals to the right hand side, hence proved.